There are precious few places in Australia where you can drive for kilometre after kilometre down a spectacular coastline, but that's exactly what the road is like down to Sandy Cape. Along the way, there are loads of great sights from Aboriginal middens through to beach shacks and literally loads of wildlife. We spotted at least 4 very healthy looking wombats on our way down, an awesome surprise. And when you actually arrive at Sandy Cape, well, what a special place it is. When we hit the Cape, we unhitched the trailer and headed on through the soft sand.